Hello everyone, I am Ershan.
I'm again.
I'm Mert.
In this video we are going to present our 314 Digital Laboratory electronics project. This project was a good opportunity for us to gain hands-on experience on FPGA development board, and we applied our learning outcomes learned from 314 course about Verilog HDL and finite state machines, the logical design and theoretical background obtained from 348 Introduction to Logical Design course. Ege is going to present our game
Hello.
dynamics and how to it will show how to play it.
Okay, you can see the menu right now. In the first switch 0, we can choose whether if we want to play one or two person. In the one, we are going to play with the bot. And also in the first switch, switch 1, we choose our clock with this, and in any key, pressing the any key, we can start the game. After the countdown, now we are seeing the game with the match timer, our hearts, and the block number of blocks. And we can move to the left and right, and also we can attack neutrally and the directional attack by pressing the direction buttons and the attack button at the same time.
Also, we can control our second player with another keypad and another input. It also moves to left and right and attacks, and it has also a directional attack. Likewise, player 1.
What was the name of the pins we connected to keypad?
GPIO, we use GPIO 0 on our FPGA board, and we connected them to 7, 5 and third pins on GPIO 0.
Also, you can read the fight in the hexes.
Throughout the match.
Yes.
And also, what are these three LEDs on the right and left?
They are showing the heart of the leaves of the two of the players. And also, you are going to see in the 99. At 99, the match will draw. So we have to press the key again in order to go to menu.
Because we run out of time.
Yes. Also, right now I'm choosing the player play with the one player, and you can see the bot playing with me. And now let's match with it, and we will see who's gonna win.
Yeah.
We saw, but he also pressed any of the player 1 keys, and we go to the menu screen.
Immediately. Mert, can you explain the technical background of our bot?
We are using LFSR for our bot input.
What is LFSR?
It's linear feedback shift register. We have that module, and we take some of the bits of the shift register and give serial input, XORing and with some function to the serial input, and we get the random numbers, pseudo-random numbers, and give them to our bot's inputs.
Okay.
Also, I can explain the logic of the hitbox and hurtbox. Right now,
maybe you can stop the clock and.
Okay, maybe I can choose the player 2. Okay. Now you are seeing the hurtbox. It's the area that the player can take a hit And also when I'm pressing the attack button, you can see the hitbox. It's also the area that the player can hit to other.
As I understood, the hitbox of this person and this intersects, then
Yes, like this.
the leave points decreases by 1, right?
Uh-huh.
If there is no blocking,
Yes.
okay.
Also, alongside with the game over screen, we show the match result on the 7 segment displays, and in the game over screen we blink the LEDs to indicate the game is over. And after pressing any of the player 1 buttons, we directly go to the menu screen to start a new game.
Okay. Also, can you give us information about the Finite state machines?
Yes, I can. We use finite state machines in our game to change between the states, and we use them for player logic and the game logic mainly. We decide the player sprites at that time with the player logic and decide the game screens and blink the LEDs or turn the LEDs off according to the state of the game.
Game over screen, menu screen,
Yes.
countdown screen, and game screen.
With the game logic FSM, with the inputs we give into that these FSMs, we get the resulting states, and our game works like that.
Also, the player action is done by
The player logic
FSM. Yeah, moving right, moving left, neutral attack, direction attack, and also the hit stun and block stun.
And also I want to show the blocking phase.
I'm going backwards right now.
And I'll try to attack to the mat. And as you can see,
the orange
when
block
I try,
decreased.
yes, when I try to hit, the block
Decreases by
decreases
1, and after my block becomes 0, I get all the hits and my health point will decrease. And if I have 0 health points, I lose basically, and Ege wins.
Yes. Thank you for listening. This was good opportunity for us to realize our learning outcomes, and see you.
See you.
Bye.